after you have everything installed and you've got your thermostat set up and you're still not getting heat, a couple things to check are, first, is your breaker tripped? And is the power actually turned on in the breaker panel? The next thing to look at is if the GFI is tripped in the thermostat itself. To check that, simply hit the test button and then hit the reset button. That should clear any tripped error within the thermostat itself. And beyond that, it's just really checking to make sure that your terminations are good, that your line and load stuff are snug and both in place, that if you're doing ganged up panels, your wire nuts or your wire clips are good and terminated well. And if there's anything beyond that, it really means you're to the point where you probably need to reach out to us through our service number, and we'll talk you through some more in-depth steps into troubleshooting your installation.